How to make Google homepage on Safari iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your Safari right now. As you can see here, it's on my Google right away. And there's no option for actually Safari have or make the Google your homepage on Safari. But what you can do is all you have to do is to go here to your tabs and then tap on Google here, and it will look like this. So you have open Google homepage on your Safari. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see the share icon there. Tap on that share icon and scroll all the way down up until you see add to home screen. Now, you can actually name it whatever you want, but for me, I just want it to be still on Google and tap on add. Now, as you can see here, you have now Google shortcut here on your homepage, and if you tap on that, you are able to open Google homepage but still on Safari. And basically that is how you make Google homepage on Safari and iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.